so transitioning from alligator to a front float is also really great. So I can say, Lauren, will you get in an alligator position for me? Good. Now, can you put your forehead in the water and practice blowing bubbles? Good. I want your shoulders in the water. There you go. Good. And when you blow your bubbles, can you get your ears wet? Very good. So that is a good position for a front float in practicing. Did you see that progression? How I said, okay, get your forehead in and put your shoulders down, get those ears wet. Right? Do that again. That is the position that she would want to be in for a front float. But notice her hands are still on the ground. So she has that sense of security and safety. As she gets more confident doing that, then we can progress to maybe letting her hands go. Even if it's 1 second, that is positive. So Lauren, I'm going to have you let go of your hands, be in an alligator, put that forehead in, and then you're going to let go of your hands. Good. So she's floating probably 4 or 5 inches off the ground, but again, she's in what she thinks is a safe area. If a child is not quite ready for letting go of their own hands to begin with, we can go into like a deeper part, and this can be more assisted by you. So I just go where I can touch, but they can't. Actually, I'm gonna be on this stair. Okay. So she's gonna put her legs behind her. Put your legs behind you. Good job. Put your arms out like you're flying. Arms out like you're flying. Like a T. There you go. Most kids get that reference. Arms out like you're flying. You're gonna blow your bubbles with your nose. Good. Now can you get your forehead in the water? And now I have control over how much they sink. Okay. And when I say sink, they're not like going all the way under sinking, but they will have a feeling of sinking for, that first inch as the water catches them and holds them. So put your face in. Good. Now I can keep one hand on for security. Oh, sorry. One hand on and let them float again. Okay, I'm going to hold you with one hand this time. You ready? Okay, one hand, they can kind of feel that, and they can just slowly let go. Or I can slowly let go of 2 hands. Good job. Good job. Level 1 is really about doing it assisted. So my suggestion is when this is the first time you're introducing this skill, you're not letting go of them. And if you tell them you're not going to let go of them, you don't let go. Children need to have the trust in their parents or whoever is teaching them to feel like they can do it still. We're going to do this. I would suggest 3 times. Ready? You're going to put your face in. It's okay. Face. Good. Arms out like you're flying. Good. Very good.